Hey guys! Today, I'm super excited to dive into BMW's latest innovations in safety and technology. Whether you're a die-hard BMW fan or just love learning about cutting-edge car tech, you're in the right place. So buckle up and let's get started. First off, let's talk about the new driver assistance systems. BMW has really stepped up their game with features like the active driving assistant. This includes a whole suite of tools like lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and even a drowsiness monitor. Imagine your car knowing when you're getting sleepy before you do. It's like having a co-pilot who never takes a break. Next up, the Parking Assistant Plus. Now this is a game changer. With a 360-degree camera system and sensors all around, parking has never been easier. You can literally watch a top-down view of your car as you maneuver into tight spots. It even remembers the last 50 meters you drove, so you can retrace your steps if you need to. No more stressing over parallel parking in the city. Let's not forget about the intelligent personal assistant. Think of it like BMW's answer to Siri or Alexa, but way cooler. You can control almost every aspect of your car with just your voice. Want to change the temperature? Just ask. Need directions to the nearest gas station? No problem. It's like having your own personal butler on the road. And for all you tech geeks out there, you'll love the new iDrive 8. This latest version of BMW's infotainment system is packed with features. The interface is super sleek, with a curved display that looks like it belongs in a spaceship. You can customize the dashboard to show exactly what you want, whether it's navigation, media, or driving data. Plus, it supports over-the-air updates, so your software is always up to date. Now let's talk about safety. BMW's new extended traffic jam assistant is a real lifesaver. It takes over during those annoying stop-and-go traffic conditions, letting you relax a bit. The system can handle steering, acceleration, and braking at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Just keep your hands lightly on the wheel and let the car do the rest. Another cool feature is the emergency stop assistant. If the car senses you're unresponsive while driving, it will actually bring the vehicle to a safe stop, turn on the hazard lights, and contact emergency services. It's like having an automatic guardian angel. All right, before we wrap up, let's talk a bit about the future. BMW is investing heavily in electric vehicles and autonomous driving tech. Models like the iX and i4 are just the beginning. These cars offer not only zero emissions, but also some of the most advanced tech features on the market. So that's a wrap on BMW's latest safety and technology features. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe and stay tech savvy.